Hey guys, what's up? Sandeep Ramesh here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is another Saturday where I will showcase magnificent places that one could visit near Namma Bengaluru. Before I tell you where I'm headed to, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon to stay notified on all such discoveries that I make. So the place where we are headed to is Malappa Konda View Point. Hey, lorry. So this is T.R.I.B.E lineup for today. This is probably the most unique Africa twin in India. And this is 23 Noodle, aka Avin Ejaman.
Yes, peace.
A big supporter of RCB, by the way. This is Mahaneet. This is Multistrada. He does a lot of things, events, DJ, and biking and vlogs also. Check out his YouTube channel, link below.
For RCB also.
Yeah,
DJ.
plays for RCB also. This is always our backbone of every ride that we do. Rishi on a Tiger. So he's a mile muncher. He's ridden across various parts of the country and yeah, part of T.R.I.B.E now. On the bike. Yeah,
On the bike, always.
and of course you recognize this bike. No introduction needed.
Actually, bro.
This is Nama Arjuna. Again on an Africa twin. Unfortunately, yes.
Blue, green, red, white.
This is the most uniformed Africa twin. The bike,
ನಮ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ.
the rider. And this is KTM 390. And you know Nikhil by now?
up? Sandeep, Ramesh here. Usually in my vlogs, I wouldn't like to interrupt the proceeds, right, or disturb the environment. But this occasion calls for. On 25th September, we lost a legend in the name of Dr. SPB. I mean, I was a huge fan. I remember my father, when I was a small kid in the 90s, he used to play a lot of Dr. SPB songs on the radio, and the happiness that it brought to us and millions of people like us is something, incredible. So, this is a small tribute from my end to Dr. SPB.